Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll explain the surface areas of a right circular cylinder. Soda can is the best example for the right circular cylinder. Even we are using drinking glasses, no, they are also in the shape of a right circular cylinder. Let's see the difference between the total surface area and lateral surface area. Surface area includes the area of all the faces of the shapes. LSA, it includes, that is lateral surface area includes only the area of the side faces. In a right circular cylinder, we have the top and bottom, they are in the shape of a circle. They are congruent circles. Actually, we have to find out how much space the whole surface would take up. That is only total surface area. We need the height. The other important, actually, that is the main part and important part that describes this path only. This path goes around. This path wraps around. Okay, this area of this path is said to be the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder. This wrapped path which goes around, this length is actually this is in the shape of a rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle? It wraps around, no? So, circumference of this circle is the length of this rectangle. Height is h. That is only breadth of this rectangle. So, curved surface area is only this part, this the area which wraps around. So, curved surface area of the right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is, this is 2 pi r, length into breadth, no, this is in the shape of a rectangle I told. So 2 pi, length is 2 pi r, breadth is h, so 2 pi r h square units. Okay, what is the TSA of the right circular cylinder? TSA of the right circular cylinder. It includes area of this circle, top circle, pi r square. Area of bottom circle, pi r square. Then area of this rectangle, 2 pi r h. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If you take 2 pi r as common, 2 pi r into r plus h square units. So total surface area of the right circular cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus 2 pi r square units. We will do many problems from the book Quantitative Aptitude in my next video. Thank you.